In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Sam's Club Business Credit Card. If you've been considering leveraging your Sam's Club membership for business purposes, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process effortlessly. Let's begin by visiting the Sam's Club website. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL for Sam's Club. Once you're on the home page, you're going to look for the credit options, and here's the key part. There's a section dedicated to Sam's Club credit. Click on that link to proceed. This is where you'll find yourself on the page that houses all the information about different credit offerings, and more importantly, the link to apply for your business credit card. Navigating this page may seem a bit overwhelming at first with all the various credit options displayed, but don't worry. Focus on locating the business credit card section. The goal here is to get to the part where you can initiate your application. Now, once you have a good feel for the page and understand where everything is, look for the option that says Apply Now. This button is your gateway to the application process. Make sure you're ready with some personal and business information. Once you're prepared, go ahead and click on Apply Now. Next, it's time to enter your membership details, which is a crucial step in your application process. Sam's Club requires that you provide this information to verify your membership. So, find a comfortable spot with your membership card at the ready and enter those key details. Ensure that all the information you provide is accurate and matches the details associated with your existing Sam's Club membership. Once you've double-checked your membership information, look for the Next button. Clicking this will smoothly take you to the continuation of your application. It's important to take your time on each step and don't rush. The application itself is usually quite straightforward, and Sam's Club has made it user-friendly to ensure that you have a seamless experience. Remember, incomplete or incorrect information can delay your approval process, so thoroughness really is key here. If you followed along these steps, you've likely just submitted your application for a Sam's Club business credit card. Congratulations! Keep an eye on your email or any updates from Sam's Club regarding the status of your application. I hope this detailed walkthrough made the process of applying for Sam's Club Business Credit Card clear and straightforward for you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy shopping at Sam's Club.